Go away. Get, come on, go. Go. So today, we're going to move some cars around. This is my mum's K55 Corolla. It has been in the build for 4 years. It's not finished yet, but it has an SR20 DE plus T engine in it with a, I think, RB30 box behind it. I'm not real sure. As you can see, it's still getting finished, so no integral lines made up yet, but this side is slowly getting made. It has 15x7s Convo Pros on the front and 15x8.5 with 5-inch backspace on the back with a 265 50/15 tyre, so they are big. It's got a Hilux diff in the back, so hopefully it can handle all the power. So we have to put it on the trailer to transport it from our house shed to our workshop shed. These are the guard dogs that protect all of our cars. Look at her. Look at them. They're cute. Cutie. Right, no. It has to be centered. Come forward. Come forward, a bit more. That'll do. What do I tell you? Start the back and front one. This isn't the full time lapse, as the phone decided to turn itself off. So we got the van out, and now we're going to put the XF wagon in so this can get repainted, and then Formula V back into there, and then the Corolla into that door. Is in, as well as the wagon. You can hear the hoist coming down. Hey? It's too far this way. Now forward. You going? You push it or not? Try. Come forward. Keep going. No, do. You're not going anywhere. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Don't make any stupid faces. Back of the dog. Back in. Yeah. She's very dirty, but she will have a bath at some stage within the week, because I got to clean up this before she goes back in. Not going to put car covers on or any of them at the moment because they're all dirty, so I don't want to scratch any of the paint. So that wraps up for the day. She's away. She needs real good clean. So does that. They both are not running at the moment, but I'll get there one day. So if you liked what you saw today, comment, like, subscribe, any of that stuff.